guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So in today's video, we are talking about the Louis Vuitton Kirigami Pochette. I will be covering some pros and cons about this item. I will be including a what fits part as well. And of course my review and if I think the Kirigami Pochette is worth it. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angela and I'm so happy that you're here. If you love anything fashion, lifestyle and beauty, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you do so, don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my new videos. All right, let's grab your snack, your drink, and let's jump right into the video. So the Louis Vuitton Kirigami Pochette is actually considered a SLG. It stands for small leather goods. So this is not really a handbag, but I do think that one of the three pochettes could actually work as a handbag. Ta-da! So this is the Kirigami Pochette set, and it is a set of 3. So this is the biggest one, and then you have the medium one, and then you have the smallest one. So as you guys can see, it is all the same design. It has this envelope style, and the only difference between these, besides the sizes of course, are the color interiors. So I will start with the small one. So the smallest pochette has a burgundy wine color interior, and the interior is actually leather lined, and then the outside of the pochette is the coated canvas. Now for the medium, the leather lining is this bright chili red, and then for the biggest one, the lining inside is this pale pink. So there are a lot of pros when it comes to the Kirigami Pochette. First of all, it is a set of 3. So for just one price, you get 3 SLG items, and I think that is such a good deal. You get the biggest one, which I usually use as a clutch. It's also really good for nighttime or for formal events, weddings, and I just really love this. I just wear this by itself, and I do know that they make some of the inserts for this one, and they have these little D-rings, so usually people put a strap over it and then use it as a crossbody or shoulder purse. I do love that the interior is leather and it is very easy to wipe clean, and even this little one I love so much. So this used to be my everyday wallet. I used this for the longest time just as my wallet. I have used this to death and it is still in great condition. So I've had the Kirigami Pochette for about 3 years now, and I'd say that it held up very, very well. So the only wear really is on the hardware, the gold hardware. There's a lot of scratches, but even on the snap closure, I don't know if you guys can see it, there's barely any wear. Now, to be honest, I can't really think of any cons. Maybe the con would be that maybe for the bigger one, I would love if they have like a strap option, but then it just wouldn't be an SLG. Maybe it would be more of a wallet on chain, but this is not a wallet. This is too big to be a wallet, and then it would be a clutch, and if it would be a clutch, it falls under the category of handbags, and the price would probably be triple. I just really love that you get all 3 of these. So this is perfect for a clutch, and then this one I usually use as a makeup bag, or it fits your passport or just any miscellaneous stuff. And then the smallest pochette is just a great option for a wallet or card holder, or you can use it to store your AirPods. I just love how versatile they are, and I really love the design. I love the envelope kind of style. So now I will show you guys what fits in the pochettes. So I will start with the biggest pochette. This is the large size, and this is everything that fits in the pochette. I will get everything out of the pochette. So the first thing I have are my mints. I need to have these everywhere I go. The second thing I have is my mini hand sanitizer. I also carry my blotting paper if I get oily, and then I have my Chanel Power for some touch-up during the day. Next I have my AirPods, and then I have my mini perfume. I also carry a lip product of course, and this is my YSL lipstick. And then next I have my Louis Vuitton key clay, and here I keep my car keys and my house keys. And then last but not least, I have my wallet, and this is the YSL card holder. So all of that fits in this large Kirigami Pochette. I will show you guys the inside. It is very spacious. Like when you see it, maybe from the front, it doesn't seem like much, but all of that just fits in this pochette. And as you can see, it's very squishy, so it does have a lot of give. And that's why I love it so much, because it's just literally like a everyday clutch. You can fit so much in here. And usually with clutches, that's not even always the case. Sometimes they're more of the stiff leather, and then it's just really hard to move the items inside. But because this has so much room, a lot can fit in here. So next up we have the medium size, and this is everything that fits in the medium Kirigami Pochette. We have the little hand mirror, we have one mini perfume, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lip products. So it does fit a ton as well, and it is the perfect SLG to put in your makeup or any miscellaneous stuff, and you can just put it in your bag, or you can even just wear this as a big wallet if you wanted to. So like I said, the smallest one I used to use as my main wallet, and it does fit a lot of cards. At the moment I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 cards in here, but as you guys can see, there is still so much space. So it can hold about 10 to 12 cards, but this is a great mini wallet or a card holder. So for you guys who want to know, I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it does fit easily in here. Look, there's still so much space. It does not fit in the medium one. As you guys can see, it's already like bigger than the medium one, and obviously not the small one, but it does fit in the large one. Now, would I recommend the Kirigami Pochette? 100% yes. I think you really get the most bang for buck, and it is just an amazing product. You get 3 SLGs, you guys, and this one I don't even count as an SLG. This is a legit handbag, clutch, whatever you want to name it, and then you do have a decent sized medium SLG, and then even a small SLG that acts like a mini wallet or card holder. It is so worth the price. You get 3 products, you get like 3 different products even. It's not just like 3 little SLGs, but you have the large, the medium, and the small. So I do think this is a great beginner item if you want to start your collection from Louis Vuitton. I would highly recommend it to anyone, and even if you already have a collection at Louis Vuitton, this is a great addition. There's almost no wear and tear on the Kirigami Pochette, and I just highly recommend the Kirigami Pochette by Louis Vuitton. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below your next Louis Vuitton purchase. I would love to hear it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!